Hey guys, how's it going? So it's a nice big gusty, windy, beautiful Thursday morning after a storm. As you can see, our dock is kind of all over the place with these water levels going up and down. But with the power being out, everything's all quiet. Except we got a cricket in the house somewhere. So after searching around and looking for a little bit, seems like somehow the cricket has found its way into the ceiling fan. Alright, so we're going to see where this guy is, because I'm pretty sure he's in there. Let's see if we can get you to sit up there. Oh, this might work. Oh no! Oh no! The camera took off. Alright, well, camera's doing its own thing. Let's see if we can maybe... I don't hear him now. Should come off. Screw. Where is this little cricket? Okay, slide this back over here. We might need to do some further investigating here. We'll get back in and see what's going on. Okay, so we're going to try and figure out what the heck is going on here with this little cricket in here. First is first, we're going to see what actually is holding this fan up here. Let's see if I turn this, will the whole entire thing fall? Uh-oh. Oh, now we're really in trouble. Yeah. Well, we screwed up now. So, now we're taking the whole fan down. Oh, man. Oh, no. Oh, catastrophic failure. Oh well, we learned one thing not to do. Oh man. Okay, well, no good. Let's see, oh, that comes out pretty easy. Well, there we go. Okay. Whew. Just so you guys know, that is heavier than it looks. And it looks heavy. So, where's this cricket? Where is he? Okay, so this is not getting better. Oh man. One little cricket. We dropped one screw. Not amused. So, what can we do to address this? I wish I could just shove this camera right up in there and go get them. This is the most bizarre thing in the world, to sit there and have this cricket somehow in our ceiling. There's almost nothing I can do to get to them. We now have to still figure out where the screw went inside of this, and maybe you went in through this hole. I didn't know crickets could fly, if they can. But yeah, this is interesting. We got him all off, so it looks like we're going to have to quickly disconnect these wires, drop this fan completely down, maybe remove that plate. We're already here. Maybe we'll paint the ceiling while we're at it. No, not today. Okay, so just to recap here, the power is out, but I mean, I'm not going to take the extra precaution here. And I'll just double check to make sure we shut off the right breaker. I'm not sure which breaker it is actually. Laundry, hallway laundry, upstairs, dryer, room, lights and plugs, water heater, spare, lounge. Lounge? Is it the lounge? Hall and laundry. Lounge sounds right. Let's go with lounge. Ooh, lounge is like lights and plugs. Let's give her. So Spencer. Spencer! We're gonna now. There's not really even a way to really test this, but try and feel more confident here, and feeling good about it. Wow, what a pain. What did we learn today? Let the crickets be. That's what we learned today. I did see one spot. Haha! We got it. Okay, so one aspect finito. We should never have even taken that out because we clearly didn't need to, because this piece still hasn't moved. So we'll just thread this back in there and leave that for that. Now let's go, Jiminy. Where are you, bud? I've got the right screwdriver here, and I'll get this plate off. Alright, so because we're not 100% sure that those were the breakers, we're still going to try and keep it clear of those best we can. Spencer, what are you doing? Oh, look, we found him! He's right here in my hand! Look at you, Jiminy. Look at you. Oh, Jiminy. Okay, buddy. Well, we're not gonna hurt you, but we are going to move you. Oh, Jiminy. Oh, buddy. Look at you. Oh, hey, geese. Okay, you can go. Look at you. Don't come back in the house. Alright. I can't believe we actually found that guy. That's wild. That is crazy. See, we got the dishwasher installed, but wow. That's so cool. Well, it's so quiet in here now. Okay, guys, that was a huge success. So now we got that guy out of the way. We're just gonna clean up a few things in here. Is this actually cricket poop? Anyways, we're gonna clean a few things up here and button this thing all back together. Oh, I'm super pumped. That's awesome. That's super exciting. Alrighty, so we'll get that one piece of rubber off the ceiling, get this all buttoned back together, and right on. Okay, guys, so as you can see, fan is back on. It's quiet. We got no more cricket in the house for now. Ceiling fan probably took way too long to actually put up. For some reason, it took a lot longer than it did to take down, but that's how it goes. We have power again. Power's back on. Time to do a little bit of laundry and get this, maybe start getting dinner on. Spencer, hey. Can't please everybody. Thanks for watching, guys.